Now you can convert your static, boring looking PDF into a stunning interactive flipbook like this using a simple tool, Publuu. So if you want to look more professional towards your work, your client, teacher, or even your boss, then you should definitely try this tool out. This simple yet effective tool will make sure your presentation looks lively and your peers will wonder how you pulled this off. So let's get into it. You can also do this on your mobile phone, so yeah, you have flexibility. So first and foremost, let me go into my Canva account. You just need to sign in to use Canva. So on Canva, you'll find lots of stunning looking templates which you can use and customize to make your own PDF or presentation. Here you can choose the template according to your liking and according to your theme, which you can use to customize easily. Now when you are done choosing your template, here you'll find lots of tools to customize your project. Here in the left corner, you'll find everything you need to customize your project. From text to shapes to graphics, you'll find everything here at one place. Use these graphic designs from here to make sure your project stands out from that of others. So from here, as you can see, you can edit text, images, add shapes, graphics to make your project look more attractive. But to step up your game, you'll need the next step, which is to make it interactive flipbook. So after you are done with your design, click on share on top right corner, click on see all, and here type Publuu. Next, click on Publuu icon and click on save. Now to view your flipbook, just click on the link provided here and it will redirect you towards our main tool, Publuu. Make sure to sign in and register on Publuu to save your work for future. And as you can see, with zero to minimal effort, our flipbook is ready to use. It's already looking stunning and interactive. But to step up our game, we'll use the customized tools as you can see on the left side. From here, you can add name and description, background, logo, and lot more. And one of my most favorite feature is adding background. This gives your project a lively look and tells others that you have really put effort to create this project. If you want more background, just click on show more option and here you can choose any of the given background according to your theme. Here I'll go with orange one because it really complements my design. And you can see it looks more stunning than before. And don't worry about the quality of your design. Publuu will make sure that the quality of your design remains their top priority. And the next best option I liked about Publuu is adding hotspot. Just click on add hotspot option and add the hotspot in any page of your design. You can add link, photo, video, sound effects, GIF, and also tag your products. And if I want to put any video on my project, then I'll click on video and here I'll paste the link, or else you can directly add file from the given option. And within a blink of an eye, you can see our video is ready to view on our project. It's one of the cool and very rare feature you'll find to put in your PDF file to make it more attractive. Because most of the other PDF design editor or tools won't give you this much of flexibility and this much of tools to make your project look more lively. If you guys know me for a long time, then you'll know that how hard it is to put a link in your PDF file. And anyhow, if you manage to put a link in your PDF file, then it doesn't look good. But here, Publuu solves that problem. You can add an interactive link, contact number, and email address within few clicks. And when you are done with it, just click on the save option on top right corner to save your changes. And here, our flipbook is finally ready to view and share. You can click on the download icon to download the PDF file, or you can click on the share icon to share the project on your socials, or you can just copy the link or the QR code to share it with anyone else. And when they'll finally see your results, they will surely wonder how you pulled this off. On top of this, in admin dashboard, you can view the statistics of your published project. Just click on show statistics and all the statistics will be in front of you. For example, how many views you got, how many pages has been viewed, and how much time has been spent by a user on a particular page. It will also show you how many people clicked on your link and how many people downloaded your PDF. This is one of the great feature because this will tell you is your project really that attractive towards your client or not, and how or where or which page you can improve on. So yeah, it's great tool out there, so make sure to make maximum use of this tool. You can follow these steps starting from Canva, or else you can directly visit the Publuu site and upload your existing PDF from your device and start customizing it. I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah guys, just go ahead and give it a try. I'll meet you folks in the next one. Thank you for watching.